Today is meaningful for a lot of reasons. I celebrate our attention to the next generation.
The Rales Fellowship is a groundbreaker. When you have institutions like Carnegie Mellon doing big things, other institutions follow.
Ensuring that young people across this nation are given access to high-quality STEM education and do not face obstacles because of their background or circumstances is an urgent priority for all of us.
We can only imagine the discoveries and breakthroughs to come, driven by new generations of STEM leaders and visionaries.